Sect 1.1 Research and Statistics. Variables, controls, and experimental foundations. Find the variable.
Protect the design.
Measure the outcome.
Read the clue.
What does the researcher change?
The independent variable.
The IV, the experimental variable. What result gets measured?
The dependent variable.
The DV, the outcome data.
IV
Is what I administer.
DV.
Is the data I see.
First blank
Is the treatment. Second blank is the measured result. What is the impact of blank on blank?
The first blank is the IV.
The second blank is the DV. What is the impact of counseling on weekly panic attacks?
Counseling is the IV.
Panic attacks are the DV.
Treatment first.
Outcome second.
IV first.
DV second. Who receives the experimental variable?
The experimental group.
Who does not receive the IV?
The control group.
The control group gives comparison. The experimental group receives treatment. When the groups differ at the end, researchers examine the intervention.
Experimental gets it, control does not. Compare the outcomes and test what you thought.
What unwanted factor can distort the result?
An extraneous or confounding variable.
It may influence the treatment and the outcome too.
Then we cannot tell
What caused the change we view? A client takes the study medicine and an extra herbal remedy.
what is the extra remedy.
A confounding extraneous variable.
It weakens the conclusion.
Keep other influences out.
Protect the experiment.
A hidden extra factor.
Can confound the evidence.
What strengthens a true experiment?
Two or more groups.
Random sampling and random assignment.
Random sampling does what?
Selects participants.
From the larger population.
Random assignment does what?
Places participants.
Into treatment or control groups. No random assignment or no control of the IV.
Quasi experimental, a natural experiment,
It resembles a true experiment.
but cannot firmly prove causation.
Sampling chooses people. Assignment chooses groups.
True experiments support causation.
Quasi designs give a weaker proof. What is an operational definition?
A description so exact,
Another researcher can repeat it.
not simply the client took medicine.
State the dose, the time, the procedure,
Clear steps support replication.
and make the variable measurable.
Define it clearly, measure it the same.
Replication needs instructions.
Not a vague research name.
What are demand characteristics?
Clues that reveal
What the researcher expects. The participant may change behavior.
and confound the experiment.
Subjects know they are observed.
An obtrusive
Or reactive measure. Subjects do not know they are being measured.
and electrific measure.
When observation changes behavior,
The treatment is not alone.
control the cues, protect the truth.
Know what caused the outcome.
Variable manipulated.
Independent variable.
Outcome data
Dependent variable.
receives the IV.
Does not receive the IV.
Does not receive the IV.
Control group.
Unwanted extra influence.
Confounding variable.
Selects from the population.
Random sampling.
Places people into groups.
Random assignment.
Detailed and repeatable.
Operational definition. IV
Is administered.
DV is measured.
Control the extra variables.
Keep the design protected. Sample, assign, define, and compare.
Sect 1.1
Experimental foundation. vision's clear.